Hadin baka sengking Atiar New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kala pentip pai ba bakal Weng no eladi na kami Ïakren Ïasuk bat kasorkar jela bat kasorkar India uba polling do menteri badai kami yak tanah tourism bat nong aiktian kasorkar MDA2 ulong ba hadu mentahi kasorkar kampat yo da kajingtho kabasai Henry Kumbolong kasupau tang hakilat pathai kubor habapan jingken tho na u halo kani kabenta ha kano phai si ka santri kulalan kot arajar pusau uba pol ulak Kyntu ya ka konsel bakam dei bon Weng no na kami Ïakren Ïasuk nomor bun ki la puli pnia ulong baya kani ka kam on sa Ïakren biang on da wan phai menteri rangba bat usembut menteri rangba sya ka jela halor ki jingdawa ka HNLC ban map no ya baro ki mukot duma persya ikit khon uba pol ulong baya kani ka phangru ondang hap Ïakren sani ba.
We have only seen those reports in the media, but officially nothing has been communicated to us as yet. So first, I would appeal to the HNLC not to pull out of the peace talks because a lot of ground has been covered initially, and we would hope that good sense will prevail and we should be able to return to the negotiating table. Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much, but certainly the government will take a call on the matter, and it should be happening very soon. Once the CM is back. Once the Honorable CM and Deputy CM in charge home are in town, this will be a priority matter. It certainly can be considered depending on the gravity of each of the cases registered. But certainly, yes, it should be and it will be considered. See, those are matters of detail, but in general, the approach should be that when you have peace talks, it should not be to the detriment of any section and to the interest of only one section. So it has to be reciprocal. Based on the principle of reciprocity, then only we can take a stand on matters of detail. But the general approach would be that has to be effective.